Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Absolute GH. Today we are going to make air refreshener spray. I mean room spray that will make your room smell fresh. Now let's go over the ingredients. Air freshener. I'm going to use strawberry perfume, polysorbate, liquid Gemma Plus, or you can use any liquid preservative, water, and then your containers to fill. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. So let's get started. When you are making air freshener spray, the quantity of the fragrance should be equal to the polysorbate that you are going to use. So if you are using 1% of perfume, then you should use 1% of polysorbate. That's how it works. So the preservative too depends on the kind of liquid preservative you are going to use. For instance, if you are using a German Plus, the minimum usage is 0.5. The maximum usage is 0.5. So some preservatives have a maximum usage of 1, some have 5, some have 10. So it depends on what the kind of preservative you are using and the quantity or the percentage you use for your product. So let's continue. Now I'm going to measure my perfume and then mix the polysorbate with it. I'm using 3% of perfume and I'm making 1000 grams. So at the end of the day, I will use 30 grams of perfume. Now I'm going to add my polysorbate 20 to it. That one to 30 grams. A little bit about 30. So you find whether spoon or anything that you can use to stir. So I'm going to use this to stir it together. So I'm going to weigh my water 935 grams. Okay, so I've measured that one too. So at this point, I'm going to add my mixed perfume and then polysorbate and then stir it together. Now I'm done with it. My next move is going to be Gemma Plus. That's the preservative. Any preservative, you can use any preservative, but this is what I have in the house. So don't go and be searching for German Plus while you have others at home. And I'm going to use 0.5% of it, which is 5%, 5 grams. German Plus is very clear liquid. It's because of the cap. There's polysorbate and fragrance in it. That's why when I added that liquid, it turns to white. Some people too don't like alcohol. So if you have client who does not like alcohol at all in anything that he do or she does, then you can make this type of air freshener for that client because there's no alcohol in it. For instance, I have a client like that. So after mixing the German Plus with your perfume and then your water and then polysorbate, then pour into your any can spray. You pour it into it and then you start using it right away. You don't have to leave it for anything. You can go ahead and add color if you want to, or you can leave it like that. If you add color, sometimes you might be using it at a place where maybe your lanes or your bed is white or something is plain over there.
so the color might stain it. So I don't like adding color to perfumes or air freshness. I like to maintain its natural color so that it does not end up staining any cloth or anything. This is the final product. You just have to label it and that's it. This is another one. It depends on the kind of bottles you have at home. Or this one, this is the common one that you always see at the markets. We have different.
So after filling your bottles, you can spray it anywhere in your house, your toilet, your bathhouse, your couch, your curtains, your rooms, kitchen, anywhere you can spray it there. I have 4 other videos on how to make air freshness. I will leave the link in the description box below, so you can go there and watch other ones too from there. My links will be in the description box. You can contact me